Let's build a safe hacking lab in VirtualBox. The first step, we need to download 3 items, starting with the VirtualBox itself. Next, we will download the Kali image. And for our last download, we need to go to vulnhub.com. They have a wide selection of vulnerable machines that you can practice ethical hacking. Let's install first the VirtualBox. Just accept everything. Let's proceed and install the Kali machine. Here, you can double click this file and it will automatically install the Kali image here. Okay, last installation will be the vulnerable machine. It's also a straightforward installation. Just double click this and we'll wait for that to be installed. Now that everything is installed, we will configure the network of our machine. Just go to settings, network, change this option to internal network. And then on the name, you will give your network the name you want. On the next machine, go to the settings again and do the same thing. And at this point, both machines are connected, but they won't get IP addresses. We will fix that by creating a DHCP server. Okay, so in PowerShell, we will cd to C, program files, Oracle, and VirtualBox. Type the command VBoxManage DHCP server add -- network and the name of the network that we configured earlier -- server IP. Here you can go crazy. You can input the IP address that you want. If you don't know what you're doing, you can copy this and you'll be fine. And then next -- lower range of our IP. Next is the upper range of our IP. Then our subnet mask, our net mask rather, and -- enable to enable everything. Again, if you don't know what you're doing, you can copy this one and you'll be fine. Let's open up our machine. The default password is Kali and also the username. Check if we have IP address. Type ifconfig and there's our configured IP address. Check the other machine. Okay, so our vulnerable machine is running on Ubuntu. And obviously we don't know the password of this one. We can't check the IP address of this Ubuntu machine. But one thing what we can do is we'll go back to our Kali machine and audit our network using Nmap. Okay, so we found another machine in our network. It's in this IP address, and these are the services. It's running FTP and HTTP. And from here, we can further audit this machine, reconnaissance, and vulnerabilities. And that is your first step in building a hacking lab. Subscribe for more ethical hacking tutorial, and let's level up our cybersecurity skills together.